You guys, my name is Shanae. I'm actually here in my living room today. I am back with another video. I am going to be showing you guys how I cleanse my space. I use the white sage smudging sticks, and you can actually purchase these on my shop. The link is in the description bar, the description section. Make sure you go grab you some sage so you can cleanse your space. And let me tell you why. You want to cleanse your space to kind of get rid of the bad, negative energy, any stress that you may be having in your home, your work life, any anger, any anxiety you might experience. You might want to grab yourself a smudging stick to kind of get those bad vibes out. They are good for removing negative energy, cleansing and blessing your space. So if you're coming into a new home, you need to have a smudging stick to kind of get rid of all the bad vibes from the previous persons there. Or, you know, if it's a new home, bless your new home, okay? So you can actually use sage as a weekly reset ritual for you in your home, for yourself. You can use it right before you're getting right into like your creative juices, trying to figure out like if you're running a business, things that you can use to kind of get those ideas flowing. Sage is definitely going to get that mental block cleared. So definitely use this. You want to use sage as a device to kind of help you boost your energy when you're creating as well. You want to use a bowl or some sort of glass plate to kind of ash out your sage bundle because it can get hot. You want to have like that barrier to kind of protect you as you're going around smudging your home. Alrighty, so I actually have a my little plate here. I got it from the dollar store. You can just light your sage and just hold it right up under it. Any particles that may fall. And you want to just make sure that you're burning it all over, making sure that it's burnt in many sections because it does go out, but you want to get like a nice smoky flame started. And just make sure it gets deep down into the bundle. Okay, so that looks good. Blow it a little so it can spread. See? Okay, now we got like a nice smoke going. I'm gonna go ahead and just start to. Whoop. No, ma'am. I'm gonna go cleanse my head, go around. And I need this. Oh my goodness, it makes me feel good. It makes me just feel good instantly. I just love sage. I've been using sage bundles for about maybe 4 years, maybe 5. Yes. So, you know, it does really get smoky in here. So you definitely want to make sure you open up your space. I'm going to actually open my patio to get some airflow in here. And then I just walk around my house, kind of get the sage bundles, just all the crevices. All corners of your home. Make sure you get your hallways, the kids' room, bathroom, all corners of your home. Good vibes. Next, you want to make sure you get your furniture. But yeah, And that is a sage bundle. And I've been using this sage bundle for about 3 months now. I don't use it every day, only when those times come that I definitely need to like kind of cleanse my energy and bring me back to a more positive mindset. I'll go ahead and light this sage. Again, I've had this for about 3 months. You get about a 4 inch stick of the white smudging sage stick. So if you're interested in grabbing one, again, look into the. Let me know if you're also interested in a video on Palo Santo versus white sage, and they both pretty much are similar, but they have different reasoning for using them. So let me know if you're interested in a video on Palo Santo. It's definitely one of those go-to sticks that you need to have. And again, this is in the link in my description. So if you're interested in some Palo Santo for your space to cleanse that as well, you might want to hit up the link in the description. Thank you.